dili kabili siyang kabahinan.
Ayo, ano sa beano, giguba sa beano.
Oh, giguba na. Wow. This is I sell it 5 pesos only.
5 pesos?
Yeah. Maybe 1 centimo in your country.
I don't know. We don't have little like that.
Ah.
Only big.
Right.
1 kilo.
Yeah,
why.
this is brown sugar.
Yeah.
I sell it 5 pesos.
5 pesos?
Yeah. Because you know, Philippines.
It's 1 centimo.
1 centimo, yeah.
Try that.
Okay, we try it. Banana.
Banana tulun. Easy. Yeah.
It's better.
Oh, may sugar.
Pag naman ko lang siya si Juby ni.
Ganyan na. Nganak na si Patin?
Wala ka marantek. 5 months? 4 months siya ito na kasi mo larga. 4 months ba kamo? Ano pa siya?
Why, today?
Huh?
The grade?
No.
No?
Our neighbors before. He sell like this.
Ano na?
Ouais, c'est bon.